Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back for my first plan with me this year and I'm really excited to get back into all of my videos. I thought I would do a plan with me in my Erin Condren this week. I have been using my A5 as more of a on-the-go weekly planner, but I just really felt like kind of decorating this week, so I thought I would plan out my week and then just kind of add to it as the week goes on and then kind of make it more of a memory planner if that makes sense. So I thought I would use a really pretty kit this week that we've just released called Brunch Date. No other reason to use it other than I just really love the colors and the artwork, which was custom. So I'll just go through it quickly. This is your first functional sheet where you've got your heart checklists, you know, lots of appointment labels, habit trackers, sidebar stickers, and heaps of functional icons. And then the next sheet is your second functional sheet. So you've got 2 weekend banners, loads of functional icons, gold faux foil headers, to do and today headers, and then bill dues and more appointment labels. This is a little bit bright. Let's just adjust this. There, I think that brightness is better. Then your really pretty full boxes, and as you can see, the name of the kit shows the theme. So you've just got like these 2 girls brunching, a little outdoor table setting, some food, which always makes me hungry looking at it, some pretty florals, and a really cute outfit, which I think is like a really cute outfit to go to brunch in. And then you've got your block headers, your to-do boxes and some more appointment labels, your half boxes, quarter boxes and little things, your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips, and then your deco and date covers. So yeah, as I said, I just really like the colors and theme of this kit and I just wanted to use it. I also wanted to show that this is on our new matte paper, which is so soft. It's really nice crisp white, and the I feel like the saturation on this is so much better than our old matte kits, which were a little bit more grey. I'm not sure if you can see, I'll show you the difference. So this is just some of our GP girls on the old matte paper, which had that grey background. And I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference, but you can see how this one is lots more, is a really crisp white, whereas this one was more of a grey tone. So hopefully you guys really love the new matte paper. So not that much is going on this week, just another week in the life. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bottom washi. I'm also gonna be pulling in lots of gold foil. So I've got like our gold foil full box overlays. These are our Art Deco ones, and then some overlay headers as well. So let's go ahead and do the washi. There we go, that's the bottom washi down. I think I'll go ahead now and do my date covers. So I think I'll use these ones, and then I've brought in some foil date dots as well, just to add some more foil in. And then across the top for the first header, I think what I'm gonna do is actually just use the today headers across the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do both of those. Okay, there we go, that's all of that down. Now let's just work on the sidebar. I'm gonna start with a piece of washi and then a full box, and I think I might use these 2 girls. Actually I might use the outfit, so let's just go ahead and do that. And then on that header, I'm just going to use maybe this little bow header overlay. I think that'd be really cute. There we go, and then I'm going to pop down my 2 habit trackers. So let's use daily habits header and then the 2 habit trackers, and I might just pop another piece of washi in between. Let's use this one. There we go. Now I'm just going to add another piece of washi in. use the stars. And then I'm going to use a, I think a work sticker and a sidebar weekly box, just to kind of lay out what pieces of work I want to do on each day. I think that'll make it easier. And then at the bottom, I generally just like to put a half box. So I'm going to add another piece of washi. And then a half box. Let's use this one here. I think that looks really pretty. Okay, let's move on to day by day. First of all, Monday, I'm going to start with the full box at the bottom, and I think I might use maybe the bike, and then I'm going to use a block header. And then a foil overlay header, and I'm just going to use these ones which are just straight lines. I think that'll have a really nice effect. There we go. Okay, on Monday is basically just a work day. The only other thing I have is a doctor's appointment, so I'm just going to grab a half box. And I might just use this one. And I'm actually going to put it on its side like this vertically, because as I said, it's going to be a lot of work, and this is more of like a memory spread. So I'm going to fill up this top section. And then I have these work script stickers from Rose Colored Days that I'm going to use, and just pop it across the middle. And then grab one of our GP girls and pop her on the side. I think that has a really nice effect. Like that. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then I'm just going to pop a header down. Let's just use a washi strip, I think. Let's use this one. No, let's use this one here. And then for the doctor's appointment, I'm going to grab a quarter box. Let's just use the blue. And I've got our doctor's appointment icon that I'll use. Like that. And then I'm just going to leave that blank for me to fill in later on what else I did that day. So on Tuesday, I think I'm going to put the full box in the middle here, and I think I'm going to use this one with the bag and the flowers because we're going to be out most of the day. So on Tuesday, we're actually going to the beach with some family, and I'm just trying to think how I am going to mark it. I think I'm going to use a half box and put it that way. And then what icon could I use? Okay, so I'm going to use this half box here. Actually, I'm going to put it more towards the top. And I've got these icons from Paper Muse Crafts, and they're just a whole lot of mixed icons, but each icon has got like a little bow. And I've got this car one, so I think I'll use that and pop it up the top. And then I'm also going to grab one of our gold foil bows in the pink, with the pink background, and just pop it here. And then just to indicate that it'll be like some time has passed, or it'll be most of the day, I'm going to grab these squiggle icons from Rose Colored Days, which is by Nikki Plans. So it's going to be like that, and I think that looks really pretty. I'm just going to put another header here, or washi strip, and then I'm going to leave this blank just to fill in afterwards. So let's just use these stars. There, I like that. Okay, so Wednesday, I want to publish another video, but I'm just going to pop the full box at the top first. And I think I might do maybe the ones with the waffles. And then just going to pop a block header underneath. Like that, and I'm just going to do another work sticker exactly the same as that on here. So let's grab a half box. I might just use the purple one. Okay, and to cover that header, I'm just going to grab another washi strip. Let's use this one. And then on Wednesday afternoon, I'm reinstating my gym membership, which has been on hold for the past 2 or 3 months. Going back to the gym, but meeting a friend there who really knows her stuff and goes to the gym a lot, and she's actually going to help me, you know, show me a few exercises and different things to do at the gym. So let's grab a quarter box, which I'm a little bit nervous about, but I'm sure it'll be okay. And then I've got our exercise girls, which I'm going to use because I think she's really cute. Like that. There we go, and I'm just going to leave that blank again just to add in what else has been happening. Okay, so that's the first half of the week, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and add an overlay, like a full box overlay, and I think I definitely want to use one on this day. And maybe these corners I think will be nice, so let's put that on. There, that looks really pretty. Okay, on to the second half of the week. So on Thursday, again, not much is happening. Let's put the full box in the middle, I think. Yeah, let's put the full box here. And I think I might use the floral one. Okay, and then again, I'm going to do a work panel or work box. So let's grab another piece of washi to cover that header. I'm going to use this one. Sometimes I really like, you know, having things that coordinate throughout the days on my planner. I don't know, it's the little perfectionist in me. So let's grab another half box. Let's use, I think, this one here. And then the only other thing I know for that day is that our cleaners are coming, and I'm just going to pop that down the bottom and the top box. So let's use this label. And I've got one of our new cleaning Pellas, and Pella, if you didn't know, is our little cat character that we have, and we just released this yesterday, and I'll just zoom in if it'll focus. There you go. You can see her with like her little bucket gloves and sponge, so I just think that's really cute, so I'm going to use that. Just here, and then I'm going to leave the top bit blank. Friday we have new releases, but let's put the full box up the top, I think. Yep, I'm going to use this one. I think that's really sweet. I like that scene. Then I'm going to pop a block header underneath. And the other thing is, of course, now that I'm back at the gym, I want to go to the gym on Friday. So I'm going to get one of these smaller appointment. Actually, no, let's use a quarter box. Let's use a pink one. And one of the exercise girls. And then for new releases, I'm going to use a half box down the bottom. And I might just use this pink one. Use a piece of washi to cover that header. And then from Arctic Paper Studio, I have these new release stickers in gold foil that I'm going to pop up here. And then use one of our new laptop icons just down the bottom, and I think I'll use the pink one. Like that. And then with the new releases, I really want to release a video every week showing those new releases. So I'm going to grab one of these small appointment labels as well. Got the blue one. And then from Rose Colored Days, I just have these film clappers that I'm going to use. So pop that here. Okay, then I'm going to pop down the weekend banner at the top. There we go. And then I'm going to pop the full boxes. I think I'll do one down here and one here. So the last ones I'll use, I think I'll use the girl and then this one here. So I'm just going to pop those down. There we go. Okay, Saturday morning, I just want to do some groceries. So let's grab a quarter box. Let's use the purple one. And for that, I'm going to use our groceries Pella. And again, I'm not sure if it'll focus. As you can see, it's just Pella like peeking her head into the groceries bag, which I think is really cute. We've got 3 cats ourselves, so I always feel like these really represent what cats do. So I'm going to use one of those. And then, again, not really much else planned for Saturday, so I'm just going to use a piece of washi to cover that and then fill in the rest later. I think the only other thing actually that I want to do is some laundry. And I think I might just use like our laundry Pella for that. I'm just going to pop it here. And then finally on Sunday, again, I want to go to the gym, and then after that, probably just relax. So let's grab another quarter box. Let's use this marble one. An exercise girl. And then I'm just going to use another piece of washi. And then I think I'm just going to grab a half box. Let's use this one here. Pop it at the bottom. And I'm actually going to grab our planner that comes with the kit and a pen, just to kind of say that I'll spend some time on my planner, I think. So, or maybe even film like a plan with me that evening. So let's just do that. There we go. Okay, let's have a look. I think that looks so pretty. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just grab some of the deco. Oh, actually, do I want to use another foil overlay? I might do on this full box here. Where are they? And I might just use this other corner one. Oh, there we go. Pretty. Okay, let's do the deco. There we go, and that is the finished product. I love how this turned out, and I can't wait to kind of keep filling it in. Let me know what you guys think, and until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye!